Well, what's going on, everyone? We're down at Portland, Indiana for Metal Mayhem 2020. I didn't know if the show was going to happen at all this year, but finally Spring Explosion and Metal Mayhem both are happening. Springx cars are happening today. All the heats, they're running today, and then tomorrow starts the Metal Mayhem. They're still in tech. They're teching the trucks right now. Got one going in the air. Suburban going up in the air. Yeah, they're lined up to be teched. So let's give a little tour on. A lot of trucks. How's it going? Ready to have fun? Yeah?
Only if I can make it to the specs.
Yeah?
After that, it's all downhill.
You guys don't mind I'm recording you, do you? No? No? So who do we got here? What's your name?
I'm Don Hyder.
Don Hyder from?
Fort, Indiana.
Oh, you're kind of local then. Yeah. This is your first time running Metal Mayhem, or done it?
3 years.
Have you? How long have you been derbying? Quite a few years, or?
Almost 40.
40 years, huh? Wow. What's the biggest kick you get out of it?
You go out there and shit up.
Go tear stuff up?
Without getting in trouble.
Sounds about right. That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll have a good time.
Yeah? Well, good luck, man.
Thank you.
Good luck. It's gonna go on my YouTube channel. Great Lakes Thunder Motorsports. I got a big channel. My girlfriend, she takes pictures of all this, and we got a Great Lakes Thunder Productions. There's a sign. We got a banner up.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Looks like an old Ford style. Nice looking car. These are your guys' cars? Nice cars. Nice car. Nice car. Hi, CJ. CJ's running a compact car. Wow. It's like man, these are some nice looking cars. Yeah, they got them back in the infield too. I'm probably going to do a couple Prelude videos. There's so much to look at here, so I'll walk down here and check these cars out. Now we're Ford. Old Dodge. We're on this side.
How you doing, bud?
Good, you?
Hanging in there.
Got a pretty sweet looking ride here.
Nice, brother.
How we doing? Nice ride.
Thanks, bud. Yeah.
Hey. How's it going? Oh, I got a couple trucks lining up. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
I'm ready to see you guys tear stuff up, man. It's been too long.
I know. It's all summer. This is the first one you guys did too.
We've had a few. We're from Michigan.
Okay.
We've had a few up there, like 2, but they've all been canceled. I mean, everything's.
That's the same way in Pennsylvania. That's where we're from.
Oh, is that, are ya?
So,
It's just terrible. I mean, it's terrible that it's come to that, and you got to wait this long to have fun.
right.
Something you love.
This is the first one that we came up with.
Yeah.
Let's
Really?
do it.
How long you been doing? Is this how many years you been derbying?
I started. Oh man. I don't know.
15 years ago? Who do we got? This is going on my YouTube channel. I just post them up for people to see afterwards.
Rodney Matthews and Scat.
Okay.
So we're from Knox, Pennsylvania.
Okay. All right. So you've been doing it for like 15 years?
Yeah.
That's quite a long time. Heck yeah. What's the biggest kick you get out of just tearing stuff up or hearing the noise of the motor or both? The crowd? The crowd. Yeah.
Get you going.
Yeah.
Get you going.
Right on, man. Well, good luck, man.
Well, thank you.
Yep. Crybaby engine cradles. I like that. Oh, we seen you pulling in. It's a nice wagon.
Thanks, Lloyd.
How you doing? Wow. Nice ride. Nice ride.
Thank you.
How long did it take you to build this car?
These cars, it's only
2 or 3 weeks at all? That really? Was it a constant? That's how long it took you every day, or?
we work on regular jobs in the day, and
Eh.
then after that, 5 o'clock, we work on like
Wow.
in the weekend.
Yeah. Wow. Where are you from? Oh,
Connersville, Indiana.
Connersville, Indiana. How long you been derbying? Yeah.
And you're 30 years.
30 years, huh?
Boy probably a good 20. My boy probably 7, 8 years probably.
So it's been in the family for a long time. Wow. It's pretty cool. What's the biggest kick you get out of running the show? Running a derby? What do you like most about it?
Atmosphere.
The atmosphere? The crowd and right on. Well, good luck, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Looks like we got a box. I've got a couple of them coming in. Nice cars. How's it going?
Done.
There is a lot of trucks here.
Yeah, there is.
Should be a good show.
Last time I heard there was 9 teams. I think there was more than 9 teams.
I seen a couple more coming in, so that's gonna be a stacked field out there, man. Well, good luck. Hey, hey! Hey, I thought I recognized this car.